Today we'll show you how to create account in HubSpot. Okay, just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open HubSpot.com and go here to login and click, and now go here to mail. If you don't have mail, just click here to create account. Click and wait. Now if you have Apple account or Microsoft account or Google account, you can open with this. If you don't have never this, you can open with your mail. Okay, just now I will go to with Google and click to this and go to here, and finally now we will be okay. You can choose like marketing, publish, or technology, or logistical, or like commercing. You can do anything. Okay, just logistical, like okay, this is your employee or student or student. Okay, just click like this. Here put your society. Okay, LEGUTO society example. I think I will just I don't have my the seat. Okay, just LEGUTO guide. Okay, like this I think. Okay, maybe if you have a website or something like that, you can put here. Okay, just now go to create account, and now wait a few seconds. Okay, now go to here. You can choose anything here from here, and like create a site web, or like avoid a factor, or like automatic of marketing digital. You can do okay like this. Maybe I choose this. Okay, now here we need to like this. We need now Meta like this, or Gmail, or MailChimp, or Google Meet. Okay, or other. Next now. Oh, if you get here. Okay, connect your mail with me. Okay, here just click to continue with your Google account. Okay, Excel like this, and click like this, and now finally we have account. I think. Wait, oh, sorry guys, like this, and continue. And now I think it's now just wait a few seconds. Verification. Okay, now we have now account in HubSpot, just like this and like this. Now guys, we have now account in HubSpot. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, just now we wait to see. We have now our account, and you will be see anything, everything and anything here guys. Did you see? So don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.